ఇంకా గోడ గోడ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా గోడ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. హలో,
సింహాచల చరిత్రలోనే ఇప్పుడు జరిగిన సంఘటన మా అందరికి కూడా చాలా బాధ కలిగిస్తుంది. తప్పనిసరిగా అందరినీ ఆదుకుంటూ ప్రభుత్వం
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపో భక్తులు
सर हम यहीं पर ड्यूटी कर रहा हूँ. लगभग 2:30 बजे इंसिडेंट हुआ था. हम पहुंच गए उधर. टोटल 7 आदमी की इंसिडेंट हुआ. सारा मर गए. सबको निकाल गए. उसका ऑपरेशन कम से कम 1 घंटा चला था. बस उतना. उसका एक प्रहरी था, वो टूटा हुआ. वो गिरकर सारा कम से कम 7 आदमी तक इंसिडेंट हुआ था. बस हमको
on Akshaya Tritiya will have Nijarupa Darshanam of the idol. So people throng from Orissa, Chhattisgarh, elsewhere, not just Telugu states. So almost everybody come to Visakhapatnam. There will be lot of rush also. Around 5 lakh people will come for darshan. There are lots of allotment, VIP darshan, free darshan and all these things. So to mitigate the rush that is coming to temple, there's a ministry committee that's formed around 1 month back, and there are lots of sittings also. So to mitigate the problem, 2 ways were planned, and 2 staircases, new staircases were built, and around 20 days back this wall is being built. During the wee hours, around 2:30 in the morning, people were rushing for darshan because Nijarupa darshan starts at 2 o'clock. So at 2:30 there's a heavy pour of rain. Whole of Visakhapatnam, lots of places are inundated. So at the same time, the water that comes from the hill also comes to the staircase because of lot of water coming at a very short point of time.
It is not appropriate for us to conclude on what are the reasons for the incident. Preliminarily, we have noticed that there was a torrential downpour between 2:30 to 3:30 in the morning, very early hours. The downpour was also accompanied by heavy winds. So both heavy winds and huge gush of water flowing suddenly into this area caused this incident is our preliminary expectation, because the wall is also surrounded by earthen revetment. So that soil might have loosened up, and because of the wind also, the pandals also, we have seen some poles have fallen down. So that might have also contributed to loosening the soil which is surrounding the wall. Naturally, the wall would lose the support and the wall collapsed, causing deep injuries, which of course led to a few people succumbing to the injuries and passing away. So it's an unfortunate incident. We still do not know the exact reason, but these are the chain of events which have happened since morning. So we are also trying to understand the exact nature of the accident, how it happened and why it happened. So we will, of course, once a technical team is in place, they will probably give us the final details of how the incident occurred, and if there is any negligence on any side, that we would be knowing once a technical committee actually looks into the entire issue.
సింహాచల చరిత్రలోనే ఇప్పుడు జరిగిన సంఘటన మా అందరికి కూడా చాలా బాధ కలిగిస్తుంది. తప్పనిసరిగా అందరినీ ఆదుకుంటూ ప్రభుత్వం